Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage productivity tools with Notion, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Notion and create a new page. Give your page a title that reflects its purpose. Choose a suitable icon to personalize your page. Decide if you want your page to be a database, a list, or a calendar. For a database, click on the Table option. Customize your table by clicking on Add a Property to create different columns. Rename the properties according to your needs, such as task, due date, and status. Use drop-down menus for easy selection of options where necessary. If you prefer a list format, choose the list option instead of table. Add tasks by clicking on the empty space and typing your entries. For a calendar view, select Calendar from the database options. Drag and drop tasks into the calendar to set deadlines visually. Utilize tags and checkboxes for better organization. Create different views for your tasks by clicking on Add a View. Select the type of view you want and name it accordingly. Tailor your views by applying filters, sorting, or grouping functions. Consider using Notion templates to streamline your setup process. Experiment with linked databases for cross-referencing projects. Regularly update your tasks to maintain clarity and focus. Share your Notion page with team members if collaboration is required. Encourage feedback from your team to improve the setup further. Explore integrations with other productivity tools for enhanced functionality. Take advantage of Notion's mobile app to manage tasks on the go. Adjust your workspace as needed to keep it aligned with your goals. Regularly review your productivity tools to ensure they are effectively serving your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.